Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to show you the torque specs for the valve cover on Ford Fiesta ST. If you have an ST guys, we've been taking this thing apart. Probably about more than 200 videos coming on this channel. Check it out. Quite a few videos uploaded on it and we're still making some. So in today's video guys, previous video we took the valve cover off and all that stuff, and today's video will show you the torque specs and the sequence for the valve cover gasket. This is the torque wrench that we'll be using, and you'll go 3 different stages. Stage 1 is 44 pound per inch, okay, or 5 Newton meters. So that's what we need to set the torque wrench at. With the wrench being set at 44, number 1, okay, let me show you. This is number 1, okay, you see the wrench, it's not a click type, it's a move type. Okay, you see the handle? Okay, right there, you can see the handle moved. Now number 2 is the one over there. Okay, you have to be careful not to over tighten them. Okay, right there. Number 3 now, okay, will be on the back side. Okay, so all those 1, 2 and 3 there in the same line. Okay, this one's ready too. Now number 4 will be this one right here. Perfect. Number 6, number 5 actually, my bad. Number 5, this one here. Okay, perfect. So number 6 now will be the one in the back, behind that breather hose there. Okay, and after that, number 7 will be the one underneath the VVT solenoid in the corner. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me check now. Number 8 will be, okay, this one right here. You have to be careful now. That's number 8. Careful not to drop any dust or anything like that in the solenoid there. Okay, perfect. Number 9 in the middle. Okay, perfect. And now we need to go to number 10, which will be this one here. Number 11 on the back side of the 10. 12 will be the one here. And 13 over there in the corner. Okay, now since we are ready with that step, we need to set the wrench at 80 foot per pound. 80 now. So this one will be 9 Newton meters. So let's go all the way to 80. Okay, perfect. You can see 80, everything is lining up. We'll lock it in place. And now we're going to go ahead actually and start doing the same thing again in the same sequence. Okay, perfect. Number 1, now number 2, number 3 in the back. This one will not take as long. Okay, number 4 will be on the front. Then number 5. Perfect. Number 6 on the back. Number 7 in the corner. Number 8 will be in this corner right here. And number 9 in the middle. After that, we'll go to number 10. 11 on the back side of it. Okay, right here, 11. Now 11 in the corner. 12, I mean, and 13 will be the last one in the corner there. So now we need to set the wrench at 89. Okay, so we need to add 9 units, 89. We'll do it at 90, ours will be close enough, 90 or 10 Newton meters. The same sequence, guys. Start with number 1, perfect. Number 2, yep, number 3 right there. Now we have number 4. Number 5 will be the one right there, yep. Number 6 is on the back side. Number 7 in the corner on the back. Number 8 in this corner here. Then we have 9 in the middle. And after that we go to number 10 here. 11 will be behind it. Then 12 in the upper corner and 13 in the bottom corner. So that's it, guys. That's how you torque spec the valve cover gasket. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully it was helpful and see. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.